Hi guys, this side CMA Vipul Shah. Today we want to share important terms used in stock market. The first one is bid price. Now bid price is the price at which buyer is ready to buy a particular asset. Okay, so higher the bid price, there is a maximum chance that trade will happen. Second concept is liquidity. Liquidity is ability of stock, okay, for converting into cash. So stock with the maximum liquidity gives good opportunity to buyer to buy the shares and seller to sell the shares. So as an investor, you must check liquidity of stock you're going to buy. Otherwise, it may happen that you'll have to block your investment. Third one is long position. Now, as a trader, I have purchased asset. Okay, assume that in future price will rise. So it's called the long position. But in future, it doesn't happen. So now I will close my position, okay, by selling that asset. So difference between buying and selling will be my profit or it can be my loss. And exactly reverse is short position, which is our next concept. In short position, I'll sell the asset, okay, because I think in future price will fall. And again in future, it doesn't work that way. Okay, so now I have already sold the asset. So in future, I'll buy the asset and I'll close my position. So again, difference will be my profit or loss. And the last one is breakout. Breakout means when the price of share rise above its resistance level and falls below its support level is called as a breakout level. So I hope you like this term. So please save the reel and don't forget to share with your friend. Thank you so much. Bye bye.